You're moments away from pure connection, excitement building, and then, out of nowhere, your erection begins to soften and fade. Your desire is still fully alive in your mind, but your body suddenly seems to pull back. And the more you try to force it, the more it slips away. That frustrating drop can leave you feeling helpless. But imagine having a simple private technique you could use in under a minute to gently bring firmness back. It's surprisingly effective and easier than you might think. Today, I'm happy to guide you through it clearly. Hello, I'm Aisha. Through years of supporting men with their intimate wellness, I've seen how this quick practice restores confidence and joy. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and enable notifications. This is where you'll find honest, helpful guidance for men's intimate health. Please note, if you're dealing with long-term or more serious erectile issues connected to diabetes, heart conditions, or significantly low testosterone, this is not a standalone fix. Consult your doctor first. Your erections are often a reflection of your broader health. When they generally work well but occasionally fade, particularly due to stress, tiredness, or nerves, this method can be remarkably helpful. Thousands of men have already benefited from this approach, and I'm certain it holds real potential for you as well. At the heart of it, firm erections depend on good, steady blood flow. Two natural systems play a central role in keeping that flow strong and sustained. At the heart of it, firm erections depend on good, steady blood flow. Two natural systems play a central role in keeping that flow strong and sustained. Stress and anxiety can quickly shift your nervous system into a protective state, tightening blood vessels and reducing circulation right when you need it most. Your pelvic floor muscles serve as a built-in support. A well-known study in the British Journal of Urology International demonstrated that strengthening these muscles help restore normal erectile function for a significant number of men. This technique works by pairing calming, nitric oxide boosting breathing with a gentle pelvic floor activation that naturally encourages blood movement. When you feel things starting to soften, begin with this. Step 1. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly expand naturally. Step 2. Hold the breath softly for 2 seconds, giving your body a quiet pause. Step 3. Exhale gradually through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. This slow release promotes deep relaxation and supports nitric oxide release. Step 4. During the exhale, gently engage your pelvic floor muscles, the same ones you use to stop the flow of urine, and lift them upward with a soft squeeze. Step 5. Let the muscles relax fully and notice the light sensation at the base. Step 6. Go through the full cycle 3 to 5 times. Each round is quick, and the complete practice usually fits comfortably within 1 minute. Here's why it works so well. Nasal breathing activates your body's natural relaxation response and draws from the rich nitric oxide reserves in your sinuses, something scientists have observed since the 1990s. The pelvic floor activation adds a helpful pumping effect, guiding fresh blood into the tissues for better firmness. For even stronger results, finish with a few quick movements like 10 squats or push-ups to get your circulation moving faster. The beauty of this practice is that it can be done quietly and privately, even in the middle of foreplay. I'm Aisha, and I'm genuinely cheering for your success and happiness. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again very soon.